Hello mga ka-teammates and welcome to my vlog! So ayan, finally, nandito na tayo sa Vancouver. Medyo pagod pa from the long flight, pero syempre, sayang naman kung matutulog lang tayo, di ba? So today, sisimulan natin ang unang ikot natin dito sa city. Ang first stop natin ay Canada Place. Alam niyo mga ka-teammates, ang ganda dito. Para ito yung perfect entry point sa Vancouver. May port, may cruise ships, may magandang view ng water, and ramdam mo agad na nasa ibang environment ka na. So habang naglalakad tayo dito, na-realize ko lang, minsan simpleng lakad, malaking bagay na sa health natin. Kaya pag nagta-travel, okay lang na maraming lakad. Exercise na, may sightseeing ka pa, di ba? So after Canada Place, punta naman tayo sa Gastown. Ito yung lugar na gusto ko talagang puntahan kasi may karakter. Kita nyo, yung old buildings, brick roads, tapos syempre, yung famous steam clock. So parang every corner may story. So ang next stop natin is Stanley Park. Grabe, ibang level yung freshness dito. Alam nyo, as a doctor, lagi kong sinasabi na hindi lang gamot ang nakakapagpagaling sa atin. So imagine, nasa city ka, pero biglang may forest, may trees, may seawall, may view ng water. Parang ang sarap huminga. Diba? After that, syempre, food and pasyal naman tayo sa Granville Island. Ang daming local shops, ang daming interesting na tinda. Dito mo mararamdaman yung local culture. Ang daming food dito. Pero tandaan ulit, isang medical tip, pag nasa ganitong market, ang sarap tikman lahat. Pero reminder lang mga ka-teammates, especially pag travel, always hydrate, choose freshly prepared food, at kung may maintenance kayo, huwag kalimutan kahit busy ang gala, lalo na kung mahilig kayo sa mga seafoods at saka mga fatty foods. Yan.
Enjoy each ride, for life's a melody, sweet and fine. Seize every moment, every chance.
Then, nadaanan natin itong street celebration ng mga FIFA enthusiasts. So, ano kasi ngayon, pag nakita niyo mga teammates, 9 o'clock na ng gabi, pero ang tirik pa ng araw, and ang daming tao kasi nga ang Canada, Vancouver, sponsor sila ngayon ng FIFA. Ang saya ng energy dito. Iba't ibang tao, iba't ibang bansa, iba't ibang kulay ng jersey, pero iisa yung excitement. Ganito dapat ang sports. It brings people together.
In this fleeting life we lead, every moment is a scene.
O yan mga ka-teammates, sumusunod na naman si Jollibee. Pero ayoko muna, Tim Hortons muna ako eh. Wala mo ng Jollibee. Sorry Jollibee, next time na lang tayo magkita Jollibee. Kay Tim muna ako. So that was our first day. Pagod, yes, pero sulit naman. So our next day, susubukan naman natin ang sea bus. Ang cool ng experience kasi public transportation siya pero water transport ito. Parang commute. Pero ang view mo, skyline at tubig. Hindi boring ang biyahe.
Come back to try.
After Sibas, punta tayo sa Lynn Canyon. Ito naman, nature and adventure.
Of time, pure and bright. Hold them close. Don't let go. Tomorrow's promise.
May suspension bridge,
Don't know. Seasons change, friends come and go.
may waterfalls,
Cherish them, let your heart.
may trail,
Opportunities, not just
ang
one.
ganda ng greenery dito. Pero, dito, importante ang proper shoes. Hindi porke travel fashion lang ha. Dapat comfortable at safe din. Lalo na kung may hiking or uneven yung trail, ayaw natin ang sprain habang nasa bakasyon.
Life's a journey, don't let it pass by. For moments gone, won't
At take it one step at a time. Huwag kayo masyadong magpagod. Baka mamay magkaka-chest pain na kayo dyan.
they come and go.
So, imbes na nag-enjoy tayo, nagkakaroon tayo ng problema.
So dancing,
So, enjoy lang natin yung akyat baba, no? So, huwag nating pagurin.
embrace each moment.
And finally, pumunta na tayo dito sa Science World at site ng FIFA Games. Ramdam mo talaga yung excitement. Kahit nasa labas ka pa lang, parang nararamdaman mo na yung energy ng crowd, ng mga fans, ng buong event. So, sports reminds us na health is not just about hospitals and medicines. It's also about movement, discipline, passion, and community. So ayan mga ka-teammates, that's our first 2 days here in Vancouver. From Canada Place, Gastown, Stanley Park, Granville Island, FIFA Street Celebration, yung Sibas, Lynn Canyon, Science World, hanggang sa FIFA venue. Ang dami agad nating napuntahan. And for me, this trip is not just about seeing places, it's also about breathing, walking, learning, spending time with family, and reminding ourselves that life should also be lived outside our usual routine. So thank you for joining us sa ating Vancouver adventure, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Share mo na rin para mas maganda at mas masaya. Travel well, stay healthy, and see you sa next vlog, mga ka-teammates. Bye!